a dork in this 3-button Henley? I look like a dork, don't I? It's because of this action. It's all closed and constricting. I'm gonna fix that in a second. Gentlemen, today I'm helping you not look like a dork. I'm going over 6 simple style tricks that any guy can do to look a whole lot better. The first style trick involves your uncooperative 3-button Henleys and a razor blade. Everybody knows that the 3-button Henley is one of the most perfect casual shirts that's out there. One of the reasons I personally feel it's so amazing is because it allows you to show a little bit of man cleavage. But the problem arises when you got 3-button Henleys that have plackets that are just a little too strong. In order to maximize the sexiness when wearing a 3-button Henley, it can't be all closed. It's got to show a little bit of man cleavage. The problem arises right here, that little stitch, when all you got to do is get a blade and open her up. This is the bottom of your placket, but that little stitch is actually preventing it from opening up a little bit more naturally. And so what I like to do is come in here, be very careful with the razor blade, and simply cut that little stitch right there. Right there. That's a little more open. You're not actually damaging the shirt. You're just removing the little stitch that's preventing the placket from opening up. Right? Check it. Looks a lot better. The second simple style trick is all about tailoring those lightweight jackets. Your field jackets, maybe your denim jackets, even a leather jacket. Now, in the perfect world, everybody has access to a tailor to make sure that the fit is absolutely flawless and perfect. But the world is not perfect. But if you've got binder clips, you're good to go. Small binder clips. What you're going to do is find the jacket's side seam, and usually it's right underneath the armpit. Then all you're going to do is take your binder clip, pull it up right there, clip it on, put another one right there, boom. And if you want, you can also do a third. And then what I like to do, I like to actually remove these little things. All you gotta do is squeeze and remove. Check it out. What do you think? That fit? What? Exactly. The binder clips? Yep. You can always take this to the tailor and have like the real number done, but this is a quick fix that I think is pretty cool. Number 3. Wear a badass beaded bracelet. Wearing a simple, sexy beaded bracelet or two is, in my opinion, one of the quickest, easiest things that you can do to upgrade your style and look. Check it out. Here's an example of 2 different sizes and 2 different styles of beaded bracelets. This one is elastic. This one is actually macrame and adjustable. One size fits all. They're sick, aren't they? Guys, these bracelets come from today's video sponsor, Original Grain. And if you're like, Original Grain, don't they make watches with wood that are all unique and super sexy? The answer is absolutely. But they've got a new line of incredibly cool, unique, one-of-a-kind bracelets. Guys, there's a special link down below if you want to go check out these or any of the other incredibly sexy, stylish, affordable bracelets that Original Grain sells. Quality in these bracelets is ridiculous. And the other cool thing is that they're all unique. Because they use wood, no 2 bracelets are the same. They've all got different grains. And Original Grain does something that I personally feel is amazing. For every bracelet they sell, they plant a tree. I just freaking love these bracelets. They're simple. They don't have a lot of like big crap and like shiny stuff. They're just simple, clean, and super sexy. The other cool thing about Original Grain, they've got a subscription. Sign up for like 29 bucks, and then once a month, they're gonna send you a new beaded bracelet. They're also going to give you one of their minimalist watches at no additional charge if you join for a year. Guys, it's an incredible deal. The bracelets are sick. There's a discount link down below. Go and grab yourself 1, possibly 2. I call this the AaMAlphaM hack. All right, so I know a lot of you have jeans that are pretty long, right? There's a lot of stacking and bunching up by the ankle. Now, this doesn't look bad when you're going casual with boots or casual with sneakers, but if you want to dress it up a little bit, here's a quick and easy way to solve the problem of excess fabric. All you do, right, you measure it right there, double over the excess fabric, pull it nice and clean, right there, and boom. There versus there. The fifth simple style trick has to do with these crazy flyaway collars. Now, this collar isn't like terrible, but if your collar gets a little bit larger, this can look a little bit ridiculous. The solution is double-sided fabric tape. You can find double-sided fabric tape at any craft store, on Amazon. I got this at Target. What you're going to do is remove one square, cut it in half so you have a little square, place it underneath your collar, remove the other side, and stick it. Take the other half, do the other side, bingo bango. It's simple, it's easy, and you look a lot better. Number 6. Fix scuffed shoes with Vaseline. Now you're like, yo, Alpha, can't I just polish my shoes? Sure. If you've got polish, if you've got all that fancy stuff at home, you can definitely polish your shoe and it's going to be a little bit more effective. But a quick, simple solution is Vaseline. All you're going to need is a little dab. Take the Vaseline, apply it to the shoe, and then polish. Like normal. It's freaking nuts how well it works. Gentlemen, that's it. 6 simple style tricks you can do to look better.